Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do tutorials and reviews of affordable and expensive makeup for Walmart, drugstore, dollar store, you name it. I'll test it in my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. So in this video, we're testing the new palette from Amorus USA, and this is Cosmic Dream. And it's named very correctly. It's a beautiful palette. So we're going to be doing this look. Very extra, very Elaina. Inspired by these earrings. And if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And please ring the notification bell, because some people have been losing their notifications on my channel and my views kind of gone down. But anyway, a long intro. So click notification bell. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I also go live every Monday. Do check out my Instagram and my Twitter. The links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get right into this. So this is one of the palettes that I have from Amorus USA. I have a few of them. They're all excellent quality. It always surprises me when brands are able to produce palettes at such a low cost and then phenomenal quality and pigmentation. So when I saw this pink stood out for me, and the glitters, of course, and this blue, so I had to have it. And to review, why not? And this is $15 for 32 shades, and it's all pressed pigments, and there's a few glitters, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's like 4, and the rest of them is some shimmer, some real stunning metallics, and a lot of mattes. So it's a very well thought out palette, I think. It's a very good balance. There is a white, there is a black that's not completely matte, but we'll let this slide for now. So yeah, I'm gonna do swatches next. As usual, I don't do swatches live because they take forever and there's a lot of shades, so I'm just gonna put them on my arm and the video is gonna be running here. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna swatch beautifully because it came out beautiful on my eyeballs, as usual. And the glue is $3. So this is eyelash glue. It's called Mate, and this is black. It's completely black. I never tried a black eyelash glue. It's very nice. Can't say anything bad about it. It smells great. It smells a little perfumey. So let's get into my bare one eyeball. As usual, I do one eyeball off camera and one eyeball on camera, and we're gonna get into it. So I've got Peely's base on already, and this is in room 05, and we're going for this beautiful palette, the Dream. It is very dreamy, alright. So I decided to go with pinks, a little blue, a little green, a little orange, you know, very tropical look. Kind of inspired by the earrings I got recently, and being a copycat of Misa, we all got those earrings. So inspired by the earrings. So I'm gonna go with Grand first. This shade. I'm using a brush from Spectrum B11, and you'll see the pigmentation. Of course, it's not my first palette of Amorus USA, and I know they're very good. The pigmentation is incredible. Look at that. Immediately get the payoff. So of course, as usual, when I start, I don't know where I'm going with it, and as I'm applying eyeshadow, I figure out which way I'm gonna go. So I'm just going for my usual favorite look. Very deep, very pigmented, very winged out. So I'm gonna start winging this out a little bit. And with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the Little Prince. All the shades are very similar in tonality, so it's easy to blend. Little Prince and then Aurora next to it. I don't want to go too crazy with the dark ones because I still want to use pink, and again pinker and pinker, just blending them out a little bit. And the next one I'm gonna go with a different brush, Spectrum B10, and I'm gonna go for my favorite color, of course, in this palette. It's called Mirror-like, and look at this pink. This pink in the middle, oh my god, this is incredible. I live for this kind of pink. The pigmentation is unreal. Look how bright that is. Telling you, Amorus is such an underrated brand. Not well talked about. The fallout is insane, but who cares about fallout when the pigmentation is so beautiful? So I'm going to blend the outer corner a little more after I apply my base makeup, but I still want to add orange because it felt like there was only blue, green, and pink, and I still want to add orange. So this orange, it looks so pretty. I don't really like orange, but this is beautiful. It's called Awaken, right here. And I'm using a cheap AliExpress brush. It's very fluffy and flat at the same time. It's good to pack and blend. It's like in the middle of orange and yellow, really pretty. I think that's why I like it, because I don't like true red orange, but I do like orangey, yellowish orange. So I quickly cut my crease. I did a little bit of micellar water on the Q-tip and cut my crease with the same P. base. And we're going for the shade, the second shade that attracted me to this palette. And this is called Cosmic. And the pigmentation on this one is insane. Yeah. It's that kind of shade that makes you go gaga over it. Girl. Yes. Alright. I'm gonna use flat brush. Just from a Morphe set. This is JS10. So let's go for it. You'll see. Even without glitter on top, it looks beautiful, but obviously I put the glitter on top because I wanted to test everything. Look at it. Look how beautiful this is. It is so pretty. Okay, so now we got this. So now I'm gonna go with the glitter with the same brush, and this is called Aquarius. Aquarius is this reflective kind of pearlescent glitter. It has all kind of specks of colors on it. They're very soft. I love their glitters. Their glitters are great. There is no primer needed. It sticks just fine. Look at that. It is so beautiful. So now I want to add depth. So I'm taking a small gesso brush, and this is a pencil brush, 230, and I'm gonna go for black. So the problem with this black is it has a little bit of shine to it, so it's not matte, it's not shimmer, it's like a little satin. But it's not a big deal because it came out pretty nice on the other eye. So to deepen the outer corner, it works. I wish it was matte, I'm not gonna lie, but at least there's a matte white here, which I love. So I'm taking another fluffy brush. It's a flat but fluffy. I like this kind of brushes for adding extra color. This is Spectrum A28. And I want to add a little more green because the low lash line is going to be green after I clean up all the mess. Or maybe before I clean up all the mess, we'll see. I'm going to use these colors, Soothing, Wave, and Andromeda. So Soothing is matte. This one is, yeah, this, and this, and this. So one of them is slightly metallic, not metallic, like satin. So I'm gonna go with Soothing first. I'm gonna put a low lash line. And I'm gonna take the same color and press it between the blue and the black to blend it. And then add a little bit more wave. This one is the satin green on top. It blends better into the shimmer. So it gives a little bit of murky green in here. So there is green and blue. Let's do the same thing here. Add the wave. And then on the same brush, I'm gonna go with Andromeda. This one. Trying to see which one I'm pointing with my brush. And this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful grungy green. I love the green. Of course, it's gonna be all cleaned up. Don't look at me like I'm looking crazy. Because I am looking crazy. The fallout is insane on this palette. Alright, add a little black again. And we're gonna do the brow bone next. Okay, so for the brow bone, I'm going with the brush, small brush. This is a gesso flat-ish brush. And this is called Detail Shader 237. I'm gonna go with the shade, the one that broke in transit. I kind of pressed it with finger back in. And this is Steamy. It is beautiful, beautiful. I see why it broke. Kind of very loosely pressed. Very shimmery, very chunky. So we're gonna add that to the bubble. So blended out the shimmer with a little more of a light color here in the crescent. I didn't show this to you because it's kind of boring. Anyway, so I put on the waterline, I put the LA Girl pencil, and this is in the color, let's see, Gotcha. And I did a little bit of an eyeliner. This is the same brand, Amorus USA. So the marker, 2-in-1 marker liquid eyeliner, it's very nice. So now we're going to do all the details. So I did add the gems because I felt like I wanted something extra, and the gems I'm probably going to do off camera because it's very tedious. But the line, the glitter line, I'm going to do now. The glitter line is You Can Be Glitter in the color Vast Ocean. And I'm going to use a small liner brush. Just a small, tiny brush. Let me just draw the line here. It doesn't have to be super precise so this kind of looks, because the gems are gonna go over, so it's just about the sparkle. So I did a little bit something. I did the gems. Very easy with a wax pencil. Pretty much apply glue on the skin and apply the gems over it. So I did a mascara with just a Profusion inexpensive mascara. So what I ordered with this palette is also a new eyelash glue. So I haven't seen this one yet. This is Amorus USA. So this is waterproof, long-lasting, quick dry, no formaldehyde. No, it's made in Korea. Okay. It says wait for 20-30 seconds. So this is the one that's black in color. So I never use the black eyelash glue, so we'll see. I'm using those Amazon eyelashes. I'm going to link them in the description box, and if you guys want to buy them, I'll get a small commission. So these are very, very fluffy ones. I cut them and I put the little piece that I cut into outside so I get a little more lift. So this is what it looks like. And this is the applicator. It's like a spatula applicator, and it's very black. Kind of smells like perfume. A very pleasant smell. Actually very weird. I never smelled eyelash glue like this. That smells so nice. Okay, so I'll wait 20-30 seconds. I won't make you wait, and then I'll show you. Okay, so it's been about 20-30 seconds, and we're gonna go for it. And as usual, I'm using my fingers. I usually finger everything. Like my friends like to make fun of me, but I find it's the easiest way, and it seems like Robert Welsh agrees with me. I've seen him fingering his eyeballs, eyelashes. Yeah, it seems like it works well. I mean, obviously I did the other one with the same glue. It's a nice glue. I don't see any difference between this and the colorless one. I guess it adds a little extra color, which is helpful to blend the lash line. So I guess for that reason, it's not bad. So I like it. It's not bad. So let me finish my face, and I'll be back with a full face makeup. So these are the eyes all done, and I put a lot of stuff in there. I had to put the rhinestones on the bottom lash line and a little more glitter in the inner corner because I wanted this look to be very inspired by these tropical earrings I got on eBay. And this is to copy Misa as usual. So Misa, me, Teresa, and Rebecca are gonna have the same earrings now. And this is like very earring inspired. There's green, there's blue, there's all kind of colors. So that's the eyes. So this is the final look. And the cat is included. My baby just woke up. He was napping. And now he's trying to kill the lights and attack. You're attacking Mama. Aren't you attacking Mama? Such a good boy. That's my Shangela, my drag kitty. That's Shangy for short. If you haven't seen the video with Shangy in it, about the adoption process, it's gonna be linked up here. Alright, sweetie. Go take a hike. So yeah, this is the final look. So I put a lot of orange. I put orange blush from the palette. Actually, I use the same orange shade, this one, and a little bit of this one, just kind of blend it out. I use them here too, like very blended out, very blown out, I would say look. Put a little white here, just to make sure my inner corners are light. And I put a little glitter in the inner corner, of course. And orange and pink lipsticks, if you're wondering. In the middle orange is NYX Liquid Suede. And this is in the color Orange County. And on the outer corners is Maybelline Matte Ink, and this is in the color Romantic. So I put a little gloss on top. And the highlighter, if you're wondering why it's so golden, this is the Revolution Pro palette. This palette was gifted to me by my friend Anne-Marie. Thank you so much, Anne-Marie, you're so sweet. It's a very, very good highlighter. It's in color gold. It's very pretty, so I used the gold shade in the middle. Yeah, I'm very happy with the palette. As usual, all of the palettes that I have by Amorus, they're all great. So this is the earrings from eBay, by the way. They're $9.99 pretty much, and they came in white. And Miss and Teresa have them in green. Apparently the green ones are only available in UK, and US were white. So I just painted them with a nail polish, and we called it a day. And I just washed my hair today, so that's extra fluffy. That's just an extra note for you guys. So yeah, this palette is Elaina Glam approved. Cosmic Dreams, really is a cosmic dream. I can't wait to try other shades, like this pretty blues, and the glitter, the pink glitter is beautiful. And there's some browns, and you know, the combination of this green and orange could be very beautiful. Never mind, my cat is still trying to attack me. Yeah, this palette is really nice. So if you guys are interested, it's 15 bucks on Amorus. I like the eyelash glue, the black one. I have to play with it some more, but I think there is an advantage that it's black. It makes it extra pigmented for the lash line. Angela, stop. So yeah, I love my purchase, so if you guys are interested, I'm going to link both items in the description box below. So obviously if you're shopping from US, it's going to be easy to buy. They do ship internationally, but you have to check out the rates, because all the shipping rates from UK to US are real high right now. So I don't know, I'm not sure what theirs are for UK. So it's a beautiful palette. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. I'm really living for this kind of look. It's definitely a very Elaina Glam look, and I think Missa is gonna enjoy it. It's very Missa or Elaina look. So please leave me a comment, like this video, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live every Monday. So please check out my social media. Links are down in the description box. Also, I have a Patreon group. Thank you guys for being my patrons. Huge thank you to all of you. If you guys are interested, the link to my Patreon group is also down in the description box. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!